we are planning for our fall garden, right? So we've been outside, which you guys will see later in the video, cleaning out the grow bags. If you haven't been here before, I'm Trina. This is Katie Bug. That's Big Mike.
Hey y'all.
So, we are grow bag gardening, and we trying to get our fall garden ready. Now we rookie bookies, okay? We still learning the ins and outs of this gardening thing, especially container gardening. But we believe that it is important to do something for yourself to sustain you and your family, and so we trying. Okay, so if y'all have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, and we'll go from there. But anyway, let me tell y'all what we have. Now, I've been taking notes, googling,
right here,
and watching other videos, trying to figure out what to plant. So we have cabbage, collards, snow peas, spinach, lettuce, broccoli, arugula, Swiss chard. We have root vegetables, and we have fall tomatoes. So, and we have some other stuff too right here. I'll let y'all know what else we got. But anyway, we got these, okay? These right here. So, it says prepare the pellets, add the seeds, we wait for germination, and then we transplant them outside, okay? So we're gonna start. We're gonna start the seeds in the house. Yeah, we have to add water. So this is how they look. These are the little pellets. These will expand. Okay, and you just drop a seed right there's a little hole. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you just drop the seed right there in the middle.
They come with signs.
Okay. We're gonna put some water in here, and that's what we're gonna do. So I also wrote down what has to be transplanted, which will go in these, and then what we can direct sow. All right, and then we got some fruit plants, because even though we're about to hit fall, if they die out, they'll come back next year, because our blueberry plant always comes back. We have yet to see blueberries on it, but it comes back beautiful and green. So maybe next year we'll get some. I don't know. So anyway, we finna get started. Y'all excited to get started?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna put some water in these, warm water. And then when we add the warm water, they're going to expand. So I guess we'll start with that. Okay? So as you can see on the front, they start off small and then they expand and get like that. So alright. So that's 4.5 cups of water, or 1.5 inches. So we're gonna wait for these to expand, and we're gonna do this one the same way.
Expanding right there.
Which one? Oh yeah,
it is expanding. This one.
So they're already starting to expand, yeah.
That's the raw wood.
Which one, girl?
This one.
Okay.
Pour it in.
All right, and then the last 1/2 cup. And they are floating, so we're just gonna put them back where they go.
They feel weird.
Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all look at these. Y'all see how they're already expanding?
Big.
So yeah, look at those. We'll keep it for watering. Compared to those, see, these are flat still, and then these are fluffing up.
Touch one.
Touch one. Touch.
They're crazy.
Okay. So we're gonna wait for them to fully expand, and then we're gonna add our seeds. Trying to put them side by side so y'all can see the difference.
That's cool how they pop up like that.
So I think we just kind of. All right, so I think these are ready, and I think we just are supposed to kind of squeeze them a bit
Until
to
the
kind
paper
of
breaks.
loosen. No, I don't think you're supposed to break the paper. You just have to loosen the soil, not break the paper, because you want them to stay together. All right, so just kind of loosening the dirt. Some of these feel a little smushier and mushier than others. I wonder if it needs a little bit more water. Can y'all see what we're doing? I don't know.
I think they can.
See? Turn. Just kind of smashing them a little bit. Now we're gonna put some seeds in here. So I know we're gonna do we're gonna do I like to eat these raw. They're good. So these are the ones we're doing. We're gonna do I'd say 2 rows of each of those, right?
These seeds big.
They are. Are these big too? Kinda. You don't need them all. Here we go. So you stick one in and then cover it with the dirt. Smash it a little bit, make sure it's covered. Okay, that's it. It's easy peasy. Stick it in, cover it with the dirt. Whoa! No seed. There we go. No seed left behind. Okay? And y'all, we ain't never done this before, so we're gonna see what happens, okay? And you're planting broccoli, so let me go ahead and write that. You can do that whole row.
2.
Are you gonna say 2 after each?
2.
Some black-eyed peas. And these. All right, I'm gonna do a row. Let's see, you have 2 rows left, I have 2 rows left. So I'm gonna do black-eyed peas. You can do, you go ahead and plant some collards. What do the collards say? Early round Dutch and what is that? Fairy round Dutch. I don't know the difference, but she's gonna plant that in hers, and I'm gonna plant this in mine. I'm gonna flip up like that, and like that. Okay.
Alright y'all, so we're starting with our different kind of peas, broccoli, cabbage, collards. We're going to see how this goes. Let's hope it goes well.
Now we're just going to cover them up. And we're going to keep them in a warm, dry place, which is on the kitchen table by the window. All right.
much for watching Ballards by Design. We will catch y'all on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.